with Google Classroom, go to classroom.google.com and make sure you're logged in with your rusdlearns.net account. It will prompt you to choose if you're a teacher or a student, and then you'll enter this screen where you can add a class or join a class by selecting the plus sign. So you can push that and click create a class. I'm going to call this class Science, and it's going to be for 6th grade. I'm going to select create. I can change the class theme by choosing one of the options in the gallery. So I'm going to pick this one. And it changes my theme. I can change the theme whenever I'd like. So you have a stream, you have students, and you have about. If you click about, you can edit the information about the class and save anything. You can also add materials. So to add materials, I'm going to say the 6th grade textbook, and it's in my Google Drive. So I'll go there to upload it. And this will be an easy way for students to be able to find the materials instead of having to scroll through the timeline. So I know it's called 6th grade science. I'm going to go ahead and click select post. And that's how I can add materials. I can go back to my stream. And here you will see the class code for this class is 4AVOKI. So when students join the class, they'll input that code. So I can create an announcement, or I can create an assignment. With an announcement, I can add a link, post a YouTube video, attach a Google Drive item, or attach any file that I want to upload. With an assignment, I have a few different options. I can put the title of the assignment, describe it, give the due date. I can even specify a time, and then I have the same 4 options as far as uploading a file, attaching a Google Drive item, adding YouTube video, or attaching a link. So I'm going to create an assignment, and it's going to be a chapter 3 lesson 1 vocabulary assignment, and I'm going to find it in Google Drive. It's easier to, when you have a lot of things in your Google Drive, to type in the title, and that'll help you find it faster. So now I have 3 options. I can have students view the file, students can edit the file, or I can make a copy for each student. So I'm going to select that. And what will happen is when students join my class, they'll automatically have a folder called Science 6th grade, and in it they'll have a file called Chapter 3 Lesson 1 Vocabulary with their name attached to it. And then they'll be able to edit it, make the changes, and then submit it. So I can click assign, and then it will be an assignment. And it keeps track of how many students are done and how many students are not done. Um, when students turn it in, I can actually click here and view the students who have turned it in. If I decided that I didn't want this to be the due date, I can always edit my assignment and change the due date by selecting it and choosing a future date. I can add a time if I want it done by, you know, I don't know, the end of the school day. I can pick 2:30 p.m., save it. I could also add another link or another video or another file all into one assignment. So I choose save, and then my assignment is saved with the changes.